Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I don't know. In today's video, I was gonna get waxed by this one, but then this one showed up, so now I'm screwed. Christopher usually helps me wax because I can't rip it off. I can apply it but can't rip it off. He hasn't been helping me. Y'all. It's serious. It's serious. Okay. Whoa, did you blow it?
I've been twirling it for a long time.
Alright, go ahead. Lord. You could apply a little extra. Whoa, that bitch was hot as a motherfucker.
You's a real thug, G, cuz. Not me.
Now pull it up.
No.
How you do the thing? It's wet. You gotta go! Come over here.
Am I going down?
You're going up, right, Kayla?
Mm-hmm. Down. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! How does it move?
Don't do all of it, cause her thing go. You gotta make a lip.
Nah, that should be fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Right here, I don't got no hair, so you can pull it from there. Cause you went to the side.
That's enough weeks.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Woo. Okay. I'm hot as a motherfucker.
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
You want Diamond to go first?
Hers is still wet.
Mine's always stay wet, you hear me?
Now take that hair and like pull this skin down with that hand.
Like this?
Yeah. And when you do it, as soon as you pull it off, like move. My elbow.
Ready?
No.
1.
No, don't do that. Just
It didn't even.
it didn't.
Oh.
You got it. I gotta do it. Show it from the side. It did take out some. Diamond, I am so scared right now. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Is that enough for you to grip?
Mm-hmm.
Diamond's excited.
You can tell.
Go straight up.
Move your hand.
You're supposed to. Oh, you're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. Fuck.
You wanna squeeze me?
No. Hell no. Stop. Let it go. Don't ever hold it like that. She was holding that bitch still pulling. Oh my God.
Get it off the other her.
You rip it. You rip it.
Rip it. You close your
Did I do better? No, your ass was like this. You was holding it, talking about wait, no fucking wait. Woo! I got that. Woo! Okay. Part 2. Woo!
Alright.
Woo! Y'all. But.
Alright, I think I'm a little professional now.
Ooh. Catch it. Yep. And then go down. Okay. Yep. Good. Damn, why you gotta get so much?
What's that?
Remember when Chris said that? How I grow my uneven. Start from where there's no hair and then go up. Woo! You do good.
I used to work at the nail salon.
Fuck, you did not. Just go ahead and get this shit.
Whoa! Make sure you got the grip first.
I am. Ready?
No.
Okay. Guess it wasn't. Oh, they got some.
I know.
It's good. Very good.
Taunt the skin. You gotta hold.
I wasn't gonna rip it yet. I was
It
just getting my little
You
lip.
heard that? That was it ripping.
Oh, I'm not ever doing this shit. You want a hug? Shut up.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, let's get the fucking
good.
moving.
I'm good.
Let's get it moving.
Jesus. It's supposed to bleed.
Well, it ain't bleeding.
That's not good.
I think we gotta let it.
It only bleeds when like you put the what is it called?
Let it stay a little bit. Did that hurt?
Yes.
Oh, ain't nothing right there. We gotta let it sit for a little bit. See.
Aroused. Fuck. This shit's about to hurt like a motherfucker. Man. Go ahead, Kay. Woo woo. Woo. I'm about to
Keep your
die.
arms straight.
My toes is curling down to the rain. Woo! Nelly Bob, Nelly Bob, Nelly. Okay.
Your armpit is on fire.
Didn't do anything.
I didn't. That shit hurts.
You
Just
should've-
go. Just fucking go. Just fucking go. Just fucking go.
Let me move out the way. She ready to kick.
What the mother donkey? Whoa. Wait for each other. Are you ready?
Wait, I don't got no lip yet. Okay, I got no lip.
Ready?
1,
One,
2,
two,
3.
three.
That's it.
Alright, y'all. Here's the final results. Don't mind that.
Not bad, baby. Not bad. Damn, it's 4:36.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Where my scissors went? Well, when I find my scissors, I'm gonna do a little
Right there in the hole.
no, not that one.
Oh, well, we don't know.
I'm gonna do a little
Get out, baby.
trim.
You're cheating.
Yeah.
You're supposed to trim before you get it waxed.
Let me see.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt worse if you don't.
Where is my scissors? Guess I'm not getting trimmed. Damn.
You gotta get your little snip with the.
Cootie cat.
And I was like, girl, you ready to get ripped?
I'm getting ripped tonight.
Armpit.
Hey. Oh, but the baby is asleep.
I'm getting ripped tonight.
R.I.P. her armpits. Hey. I'm gonna try to.
Do this part. Oh,
It pulled my armpit hair. That shit hurt. Dang.
I'm not cut out for this.
did it cut it a little bit?
No, it like got stuck in the little dead part. Came out. No look.
Well, sister, brother, don't play with me, play with your Oh, damn, that was mean.
Just
Cut it out. From up the full house. That's gonna be one of your pictures, ain't it?
Oh, we gotta make a thumbnail. Don't let me forget, because I always forget to make thumbnails.
Yeah.
Who that? When I do my dance, money fight these whole hands. See how you playing? Look, I don't want your man. Just don't pick it. And it's time for the regulator. It's time for the regulator. And it's time for the.
Never do
those
shoes. Huh?
I want those shoes.
You want them? You them.
Can I have them? Damn. Let's have this bitch off. Ah, my toe.
My toe is the one that's broke. I can't even ride. Dangling.
Because of your toe?
Yeah, because I got my squat. Like, I can't do it all the way.
You need all 10 toes to ride dangling people.
Yeah, because you gotta float on top of it like this.
Well, maybe you should try it on your knees. Like,
Oh, but his like this tall.
oh my god.
I don't know if I'm gonna edit this out.
Don't do it.
Or put it in the bloopers.
Put it in something because. What's the other one? Into that. Go baby, go baby, go.
She said, "What's the other one?" Like she didn't know for a fact what that.
Yeah.
I forgot.
She just wanted to show
It be
it.
like,
off.
oh nah, here we.
Put it in reverse.
Chris, you know you hear him. Shit. And so do you. You know I'm busy.
Get your ass in the camera.
What's up?
Whoa, your hair.
About to wax
It
your
ain't mine
hair
at the bottom, so I don't care. What's up, you guys?
This is Diamond Brown.
My name is Diamond Brown. You know, aka D Money is a little blur. But you already know.
blur.
They call her Big Purr.
Connected.
Is that to somebody?
Is that dedicated?
You know who was dedicated to.
D. Murder.
What you say, D murder?
D Murder. Oh,
Oh,
that's my new name now. D Murder.
yeah.
I got.
Oh, damn. Damn. Look at damn shit.
She broke my fingers.
Are you okay?
It just cracks. It's never had your.
That wasn't crazy. That's just like.
It broke. Look.
Oh my gosh.
That's that song and be like, GK, drop it. You throwing them gang signs. They gonna come for you.
Oh, don't come for me. I ain't in no game.
She ain't sent for you.
Yo,
Don't come for her.
we know what we doing.
Yeah, we just gonna let it just drip all down his shirt.
And all over us on the sink.
On the
on the
kitchen.
floor, outside.
On the bed.
They gotta see the
Which way your hair grow?
A lot. It grows
So we gotta go
a
down.
lot of
It
ways.
grows different ways. Look.
Mm-hmm. Are you sweating?
Yes. Like a bitch. Get out my armpit.
I thought we were just doing enough for the thumbnail.
Yeah, but in order to pull it off, you're gonna have to do a lot. What?
God damn.
What?
That was a lot of motherfucking powder you put up there, buddy.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus.
I'm not.
Don't eat too much of it now.
She looks like she's. And no, man.
Huh?
Did you see her head? It was like.
Aren't you supposed to blow it off?
She is blowing it. You just seen her blow it. Don't be mad because you didn't blow it and she blew it. She's
I'll wax your nose off. Shut up.
It's not gonna come off his skin.
What?
Well, I'm gonna try.
Why is only a little bit coming?
She getting off the feedback I gave you. You gotta keep twirling all the way till you get to my armpit. And blow.
Let me get on this side. Let me get on this side.
Are we switching?
There you go. There you go. Keep going. Come over here.
Am I going down?
You're going up. You don't. How you flicking? You gotta pull it. Pull it.
One.
You're not taunting.
Oh.
I'd be scared for you, Doc.
You ready?
I'm ready. So aroused.
Stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Do anything.
What they be doing? They be like,
If you enjoyed this video,
like, comment, subscribe,
yes, you better.
Thanks.
And share.
and
Oh.
share.
And share.
Share to all Facebook,
Your
Instagram.
mama, your grandma, your
Send them all
grandma,
out. Mm-hmm.
your ex-boyfriend,
Mm-hmm.
your baby
Ex-girlfriend.
daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all of them.
You
Maybe not yet.
sneaky link. Sneaky link. Sneaky link.
No, I can be your.
Sneaky link.
Anyway, y'all,
And to my weakest link, I heard you guys.
Stop there. Bye, guys.
you can let go. I'll copy that when you get back up. Okay.